Climbing the number ladder. English ordinal numbers 11th-20th in compound sentences. Hello, language explorers. Today we're going to venture into the world of English ordinal numbers, specifically focusing on the 11th to 20th. We will dive deep into the usage of these numbers in compound sentences. Understanding this will help you communicate more accurately and naturally in English. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let's do a quick recap of the ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th. Remember, these are used to describe the order or position of items in a list or sequence. 11th, 11th, 12th, 12th, 13th, 13th, 14th, 14th, 15th, 15th, 16th, 16th, 17th, 17th, 18th, 18th, 19th, 19th, 20th, 20th. Each of these numbers ends with a th suffix, indicating their position in the order. We use these numbers to indicate specific places in a sequence or a series. A compound sentence is a sentence that has two or more independent clauses joined together. These clauses are typically connected by conjunctions such as and, but, or. For example, I am studying English, and I enjoy it. Now let's incorporate ordinal numbers in our compound sentences. To understand it better, let's take a look at some examples. My sister finished 12th in the race, but she is determined to do better next time. It's my 17th birthday today, and I'm excited to celebrate it with my friends. He was the 20th person to arrive, so he didn't get a good seat. In these examples, the ordinal numbers 12th, 17th, and 20th are used to express a specific position or order within a sequence or series. They connect and enhance the meaning of both clauses in each compound sentence. It's crucial to avoid common mistakes when using ordinal numbers. Ensure the ordinal number is in the correct form. For instance, say 13th birthday, not 13 birthday, or 13th birthday. Also, remember to keep the number consistent throughout your sentence. Great work today! You're now more familiar with using ordinal numbers from the 11th to 20th in compound sentences. Practice is key, so don't hesitate to create your own sentences. Keep exploring, and you'll continue to improve your English skills. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying!